Hello, welcome back for lesson number 22nd. I put a title called Dot. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. Today we are going to do a correction operation, which is we need to do a pre-drill hole before the last operation that we learned on the last lesson. Today we're going to continue with open a file and select a new tooling, continue with the lesson. This is the result of the last lesson. We have created the circumference cut, and we will need to use this center drill and a twist drill to do a pre-drill hole so that the end mill plunging will not break the end mill. We have to create a circle by right-click the part and edit component. In the sketch mode, we will go into the selection of the plane by selecting the step plane in the Superman logo and click OK. We choose circle. Take the second option, which is center point and the radius. Key in the coordinate as display, and the radius is 1.5. We click OK to complete the circle definition. We exit and exit again to go into the operation detail. Select the drill and center, create the operation. Select the hole and click OK. We have to choose circle. This is because we draw a circle over there. There is no other point or cylinder. Select the minus Z axis, put in the depth, and then click OK. Click OK to continue, so that we have created an imaginary hole. Right-click the operation by selecting the edit. Set the G54 frame. We have to choose a tool. Load the tool shape. We will select the 5/2 mm center drill. Click OK. With that, we assign a tool number 4 for this tool. Click OK. The depth we're going to go in is going to be 3 mm. And we choose a different color to show the difference. Continue with calculate. Do a verify. Set the G54, and we can see the Z is going to Z minus 8. Click OK. Then we click OK. We need to drag the operation upward by clicking it and then drag upward. You can see the center one operation actually is before the last operation. Do that, then we continue by doing a solid verify. You can see everything looks good. We can save the file for the next operation. So we have finished the theory portion. Let me show you the step-by-step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step-by-step how to accomplish the task. First, we double-click to hide the previous operation and collapse it. Oops. Right-click, edit component. We need to do a sketch, selecting this area as the top plane. OK. Continue with circle. Choose the second circle and key in 0 minus 14.75 with the radius of 1.5. You can see the circle here. Then click OK. And then we exit. We exit again. So if you want to tilt the part, you can see the detail of the circle here. We need to update the status. Update component. We will start with drill, center drill. Create a hole. We select circle, which is this one, and direction is minus Z. Depth is 10. OK. OK. Select a drill. We can use a center drill. Load tool. Select center drill, 5, click OK, put the tool number 4, click OK. No, we will set the frame G54, thickness is 3, color is this one, and we can do a calculate. We can do a verify, set the frame to G54, step by step, Z minus 8, looks good, OK, OK. We will move this operation upward by drag and drop upward. We're going to perform a solid verify so that you can see the detail by slowing down. We will drill a center drill first, then continue with the end mill. Looks good. Close it. Save the file for the next operation. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something out of it. I see you at the next lesson. Bye bye.